For David, for sure.
Somebody, Ali Royce is not in custody.
He is no longer in custody, Mr. Cox. That's it.
Oh, okay. Oh, Ms. Robinson, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Marcus Davis, 25-02188, appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people. I have to make a motion to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120. I do have APA Sarah Paul here with me today.
Motion is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Aaron Robinson, Assistant Public Defender for Mr. Davis.
Okay, Mr. Davis was scheduled today for a probable cause conference on a weapons carrying concealed. My understanding is that the parties do not wish to hold an exam and they want this matter waived to the circuit court.
That is correct, Your Honor. The people unconditionally waive the preliminary examination. I do believe the defense is going to do the same.
That is correct, Judge.
Was there an offer at all?
There was no offer on this, Your Honor.
Mr. Davis, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, Mr. Davis, you understand that you're being charged with a felony count of carrying concealed weapon?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that you have the right to have a preliminary examination on that felony and have the right to have the prosecutor establish whether or not they have sufficient probable cause that the felony was committed and probable cause sufficient to charge you as the individual who committed the felony.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you wish to unconditionally waive your examination?
Yes, ma'am.
Is anyone threatening you to get you to do that?
No, ma'am.
Any promises extended to you if you waive your exam?
No, ma'am.
I find your waiver to be freely and voluntarily given. Your bind over date's going to be August 13th. Now, that's not a date that you need to appear in the circuit court. That's the date the circuit court's going to receive the file from the district court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Your next court date will be a pre-trial. Your attorney will be made aware of that date. You stay in contact with your attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions so far?
No, ma'am, I do not.
It looks like the bond was set at 2,000 personal recognizance that will continue. And your address has not changed since July 18th, is that correct?
No, ma'am, it hasn't.
And your phone number is still the same?
No, ma'am, my phone number is different. I actually just gave that to my attorney.
Ms. Robinson, can you put that in the chat for me, please?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Nothing for defense.
Thank you. You're all set. Okay, jail. Who's in the jail?
Adrian Schuster.
Thank you. Ms. Robinson, did you need to speak to him at all?
I do. Briefly, please.
Okay, you're in room 1. We'll add him to room 1.
Thank you.
No problem.
And we're about. Yeah, good. But.
And Your Honor, just very briefly before we go on the record, this will be a waiver on an amended complaint. So we'll make those amendments on the record.
On the record, in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Marion McCall, 25-00752, Council Parent.
Thank you. Sarah Full on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. William Amadeo, P7619, probably up to Marion McCall. Marion, please state your name for the court.
Marion McCall.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today is scheduled for preliminary examination in this matter. I'm filling in for Prosecutor Adam Pfeiffer in this matter. I have had the opportunity to review the case. I've spoken with defense counsel. It seems the parties are willing to can unconditionally waive their right to a preliminary examination on this matter with an amended complaint up to the circuit court. The amendments to be made on this complaint would be the people would move to dismiss count 1 as well as count 9. And the defendant will be waiving unconditionally up to circuit on the remaining counts.
That's accurate, Your Honor. Count 1, just so the family understands, is the AWIM that is being dismissed today. Along with the felony firearms that goes with it. And when we get up to circuit court, I'll work on a global resolution for all his files, Judge.
Okay, Mr. McCall, is what you just heard accurate as to your understanding as to how you want to handle this?
Yes, sir.
So you understand that you have to write in this matter to have a preliminary examination on each felony count that you're being charged with?
Yes, sir.
You understand the purpose of the preliminary examination?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to require the prosecutor establish that they have sufficient probable cause that these felonies were committed and probable cause sufficient to charge you with each felony. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anyone threatening you to get you to waive your preliminary examination?
No, Your Honor.
Any promises extended to you if you waive your examination?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Find you waiver to be freely and voluntarily given, the matter will be bound over to the circuit court. The bind over date is the 13th of August. That's the date the circuit court's going to receive this file, not the date that you need to appear in court, okay? Your next court date will be a pre-trial in circuit court, and your attorney will be made aware of that date, okay? If you have any questions for the court? There was a pending bond violation. That was for accusations of calls. That will be dismissed. Bond is set at 200,000 cash surety. Any additional matters for the record?
No, Your Honor, I would just like to remind the defendant that his bond conditions are still in place, that he shall remain from contacting the victim in this matter. And that if he continues to do so, he opens himself up to violations of bond up in circuit court.
And I did explain that to him as well, Your Honor, and he's been instructed not to have any contact with her at this juncture and to just let me try to work to get him home as soon as possible. And him behaving in jail will help that.
Very good. Any additional matters?
No,
And
thank
thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, you're all set.
you.
Robert Kane. I feel like that might be. Oh, okay. Robert Kane. Ms. Robinson, you ready, Mr. Schuster?
I am, yes.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Adrian Schuster, 25-02219, appearance, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Aaron Robinson, Assistant Public Defender for Mr. Schuster.
Mr. Schuster has a police officer assault resist obstruct that's scheduled for preliminary examination on August 8th at 9 a.m. Are we continuing to exam?
Your Honor, a plea offer was extended for Mr. Schuster to plead to an attempted R&O with the dismissal of the original charge. He wishes to accept that today. I don't know if it's the court's preference if they would do a plea today because he's over Polycom, or if you'd like to leave it set for next week and have him plead then in person. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Schuster, you want to accept the offer and plead guilty to the amended charge of attempted police officer resist and obstruct?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under the penalty of perjury?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You have the following rights that you would need to give up if you wanted to accept the offer. First is your right to the presumption that you are innocent. You're innocent until proven guilty. You have the right to require the prosecutor prove your guilt by proving each element of the charge being brought against you beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to continue to jury trial and execute that right and maintain your innocence until proven guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the right to see, hear, or question any witness the prosecutor calls to testify against you, the right to call your own witnesses to testify on your behalf, the right to present evidence at trial that you believe show a defense to the charge, and the right to see, hear, or question any witness called to testify against you. Do you have any questions about that?
No, ma'am, I do not.
And you're willing to give up all of those rights in order to enter a guilty plea to the amended charge?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Threatening you to get you to guilty? Can you hear me? Is anyone threatening you to get you to?
No, ma'am.
Any promises being made to you to get you to waive your right to plead guilty?
No.
Are you currently on probation?
I'm on parole.
You're on parole? You understand that by pleading guilty, it could result in the violation of your parole status?
Yes, ma'am.
You also understand that by pleading guilty, it could result in the conviction that you may need to report to a current employer, or you may need to report this on a future job application.
Yes, ma'am.
It also could have impact on where you can travel or get immigration status. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Charge of a police officer resist and obstruct. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Is that because you believe you're guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Factual basis, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. On July 21st of 2025, were you at the area of 411 Curry Lane in the city of Lansing, county of Ingham, state of Michigan?
Ma'am.
And at that time, were there police officers that were present?
Where?
And you also had a warrant for your arrest out at that time, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
One of the police officers gave you an order to stop, correct?
Yes.
And you willfully ran from the police officers and disobeyed the order, correct?
Ma'am.
Any questions from the prosecutor?
People are satisfied, Your Honor, no questions.
Court is satisfied with the factual basis. I'll accept your plea. I find your plea to be freely, voluntarily, and intelligently made. And this matter is scheduled for sentencing September 26th at 9 o'clock in the morning. Does he have a parole hold?
He does. We're just asking to leave bond set as is.
Any chance we can do sentencing sooner?
You want to know if you can have your sentencing sooner?
Yes,
Is that what you
please.
said, sir? Okay, and why is that?
Get it done, get it out of the way.
Well, that's not how it works here. The reason why we have to set it the way we do is because our pretrial services, which is handled by our probation department, need time to meet with you and prepare a report, and it takes them about that long to get it done. So with that being said, you do need to meet with our probation department. I will note here that you are in custody so that they could make attempts to meet with you sooner. If they're able to get the report done quicker, I'm happy to move it up, but it's really contingent upon their ability to get the meeting with you and get the report done.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. So I'll note that so that can happen and you're able, if, I don't know what the status is of your parole. If you're released, you can appear for sentencing via Zoom, okay?
Okay. So I got a question. If my parole hold is lifted, I can still bond out?
Yes, you can still bond out. Your bond is set right now at 1,010%. So I'm going to continue that as set.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing on behalf of the people.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. You're all set.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I see, is it Robert Kane?
Hi, yeah,
What's your name?
Robert. I'm here for my
Robert,
brother's Zoom.
excuse me?
I'm here for my brother's Zoom meeting.
You're here
Josiah
for your
Kane.
brother?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why are you in my Zoom room? Were you
I had
subpoenaed to
talked.
be here today?
No, I had talked to my brother earlier, and he asked me if I could get on there to watch it.
Oh, okay. You can watch it on YouTube. You can't be inside the courtroom unless you're actually a party or you were subpoenaed to be here, okay?
Okay.
Who's not seen Ali Royce? She's correct. It says preliminary exam date is outside of the date parameters. How is it that the PCC is August 1st? And the exam the 14th? Who did that?
Well, I don't know who did that, but technically, he's supposed to have an exam May 1st, so I don't think it matters for you. I don't think I already made
Do you
this
ever
one
have a
day, just
PCC?
say, oh, I don't know.
Looks like he was ranked. We're supposed to have a PCC on the 21st and we never appeared. What do you have there? On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Ali Royce, or is it Royce Ali?
Royce Ali. Next.
Royce Ali 23-03429, appearance please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Oh, right over here, sir. Sorry. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jacob Sarge, the fourth Assistant Public Defender here on behalf of Mr. Ali. He's present at council table. He's standing to my right. He's appearing in person this afternoon.
Okay, Mr. Ali was scheduled to have a preliminary examination next week. Oh, in 2 weeks, that is, August 14th at 8:30. That's what we were discussing. When it came up, I'm trying to understand why it's the 14th. Are we continuing to exam?
Your Honor, Mr. Ali respectfully requests to unconditionally waive his preliminary examination. He has a plea offer, from my understanding, that will be kept open up the circuit court of pleading to count 2. In exchange, the people would agree to dismiss count 1. Negotiations will continue up at circuit court. Mr. Ali understands this would be an unconditional waiver of his exam. Thank you.
That is a correct statement, Your Honor, and the people would also unconditionally waive the preliminary examination.
Okay, Mr. Ali, you understand your right to have a preliminary examination because you're being charged with a felony?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand the right to have the prosecutor establish sufficient probable cause that the felonies were committed and probable cause sufficient to charge you as the person who committed those felonies?
Yes, ma'am.
And you wish to unconditionally waive them?
Yes, ma'am.
No one's threatening you to get you to waive your right to an exam, correct?
No, ma'am.
No one's promising you anything?
Nope, only me.
Okay, what are you promising yourself?
To do right, do better, I'm on papers and get off.
I like to hear it. Okay, and so you understand that this is unconditional. You can't change your mind when you get to circuit court. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The matter is bound over to the circuit court for a bind over date of August 13th. And that is the date the circuit court received the file from the district court. You do not appear in circuit court on that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The next court date will be a pre-trial. Your attorney will be made aware of that. Do you have any questions for the court at this time?
No, ma'am, I'm here. I'm gonna show up. Just wanna move forward.
Very good. Very good. I'm happy to hear that you're on track. Looks like we won't be hopefully seeing you for anything like this in the future.
No, ma'am, not in bad terms.
Very good. The bond was set at 1,500, 10%. That will continue. Any additional matters?
Nothing on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Nothing on behalf of the defense, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. You're all set.
Next time I see you, Miss Simmons, gonna be in great completion.
I love to hear it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's see. We've not seen Kane. Kane's in custody. Okay, Mr. Freeman? Mr. Freeman, do you need to meet with your client?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Josiah David Kane, 25-02217, appearance please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Stephen A. Freeman, Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Mr. Josiah Kane. We both appear via Zoom.
Okay, Mr. Kane was scheduled for a probable cause conference today for assault with intent to murder, as well as weapons charges. And this matter is scheduled for a preliminary examination August 8th, 9 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Are we continuing to exam?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Any thing we need to put on the record or address at this time, counsel?
No, Your Honor, there are no offers at this time.
Okay. I will
Nothing
see
from the
Mr.
defense.
Thank you. Bond will continue denied. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And then last, this person is also in custody. Benson. Okay. Mr. Freeman, did you need to speak to your client?
I do not. Thank you.
Okay. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Diago Benson, and this is 25-02177, appearance please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Public Defender Stephen A. Freeman appearing via Zoom on behalf of Mr. Benson, who also appears by Zoom.
Okay, Mr. Benson has a probable cause conference scheduled today. I think this is a 7-count complaint, assault, harm, aggravated stalking, financial transaction device stealing, and illegal sale, and then 2 counts of DV and an assault and battery. And the matter is scheduled for an exam for the felonies on the 8th of August at 9:30 in person at the court. Are we continuing to exam?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any preliminary matters or any offers at this time?
No, Your Honor, there are no offers at this time.
Okay, we'll see Mr. Benson in person at the court. Bond was set at 35,000. Cash surety that will continue with GPS tether. Any additional matters, counsel?
Nothing on behalf of the people.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. You're all set.
Nice.
Thank you, Mr. Benson.
Kind of lucked out on the babysitting gig today. They have a habit of doing that, actually.
Wonder what they're doing.
Yeah, the best day was